guys, this is another requested recipe. I'm going to show you how to make wrap, egg roll wrap, homemade egg roll wrap in your kitchen, fast, easy and simple. Come on and let's get this all together.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Alright, it's going to be so easy, fast, easy and simple. Anybody can make this in them kitchen. Simple ingredients what you need. All-purpose flour. You're going to need hot water. Now, your water, you want to make your water as hot as you could possibly get it, okay? You're going to need only hot water for this recipe. Do not use cold water. It's not going to come out right. You're going to need some cooking oil. Corn oil, vegetable oil, any kind of oil, but do not use extra virgin olive oil because they're going to give it a different kind of taste. And you're going to need some salt. All your amounts will be down in the description below. Let's get started. Now, this is your very first step. You have your hot water there, and what you want to do is go ahead and add your salt to it and mix this together and make sure so your salt is dissolved. Now for your flour, you want to make sure that your flour is nicely sifted. So you want to make sure this is nice and smooth. To that, you're going to add your cooking oil, and then you're going to add your hot water and mix this together. Now your dough should not be sticking to the container anymore. It should be like a ball form like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put it into my container like that. You're going to get a damp paper towel and cover it like that. And then you get a towel and cover it like that again. And you're going to put this away for 16 minutes. 15 to 16 minutes. After 15 minutes, your dough is going to look like that. It's going to be soft and it's going to be stretchier. Now you're going to go ahead and separate the dough in 2 equal parts. Now after you have separated the dough, you want to go ahead and add a little bit more flour to your cutting board. Place your dough on top of that. And with your fingers, you just press the dough out. Now, what we're trying to do here is have this dough nice and flat. We want to get it as flat as we possibly can. Nice, flat and smooth. You are going to roll this out just in case you have any lumps in it. Those lumps will be gone. Fold it over and roll it the other way. And if it's sticking, just add a little bit more flour. Very simple. Now that it's nice, flat and smooth, I'm going to cut the edges off. So you take that off.
If only you knew I was all that I see. More than a dream, it's who I am. If only you knew what it took to be this dope.
And that is how you make it. That simple. I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.